it's Seura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my 4-step cleansing routine, all of which I've been able to receive from the Face Shop, and I'm really liking all of the products so far, and they're really giving me clear, healthy results. So let's get started. To start off, I used the Rice Water Lip and Eye Makeup Remover, and before I started using this product, I always used a basic oil cleanser to really wash away all of my eye makeup and lip makeup as well as my foundation all in one step, and it was kind of a problem for me because my eyeliner would leave a residue and it wouldn't be cleansed as thoroughly, so I was on the hunt for something that was good for sensitive skin but at the same time really efficiently cleanses my skin and really makes it clean. So when I found this product, I seriously fell in love with it because it's so mild but at the same time it doesn't leave any residue or anything like that for my eyeliner or waterproof mascara, so I thought it was really good. And to talk about the scent, it kind of in my opinion, it kind of smells like baby powder, and at the same time it does look light pink outside, but if you put this onto a cotton pad and check, it's kind of like a consistency of milk and it's white. So yeah, I don't know, I thought that was really cool. And since it is really mild, it's really good for people with any type of skin, so even if you're combination or oily, it won't break out or anything like that. Now the second step of my cleansing routine is the Rice Water Light Cleansing Oil, and I think this is one of the most important steps to my cleansing routine just because it really washes off all of my foundation and sunscreen thoroughly, and because the oil in this product isn't super viscous in terms of texture, I find it very easy to rinse off with water afterwards, so it doesn't consume a lot of your time. And also for the scent, it's very subtle and refreshing, and also this product is known to contain vitamins A, B, E, so I'm able to keep my skin looking bright and nourished at the same time. For the third step of my cleansing routine, I use the Dr. Belmeur Foam Cleanser, and why I really like this product is it comes in a really huge bottle and it's 150 mils, and you only really need a tiny amount of product. So what I usually do is I put it onto the palm of my hands and I rub it until there's a lot of foam that forms, and then that's when I apply that directly onto my face. It's a very smooth application with a very fresh and natural scent, so I really like that. And another thing I noticed about this cleanser is that it sat at the back. It said it's a slightly acidic gel-type cleansing foam with a pH similar to that of the skin barrier to minimize irritation to sensitive skin. And I didn't really understand what that meant at first because for some reason I expected my skin to be neutral pH. I'm not sure why, but apparently the outermost layer of your skin is slightly acidic, so it's very important for cleansers, and I realized how important it was for these cleansers to have a similar pH level so that it doesn't cause any irritation or any bacterial infections that could lead to something like fungal acne. So yeah, I realized how important this pH level is. So the 3 products that I've mentioned so far are what I use on a daily basis, and the last product I'll be talking to you about is, I would say I use about once a week just because my skin's more on the drier side these days, but if you're combination or acne prone, then it might be better to use this product every once or 2 times a week. So yeah, it's called the Mild Papaya Peeling, and this is one of the most interesting exfoliators that I've tried in my life just because, I don't know, I believe it's the papain enzyme, and it's the ingredient that makes your skin produce dead skin cells while you're still gently rubbing the product on your face, and it's actually the dead skin cells are visible to your eyes. So I found that it was just a really interesting, cool, and yeah, it was just a very weird experience for me, but I like it. Yeah, and I love fruity scents, and this just smells like the papaya fruit, so I love the scent. And another plus to this item is that it comes with a cap that kind of looks like this, and I just have to put this in between the pump and the tube. So if you're taking this on vacation or if you're going to a sleepover or anything like that. It's very spill proof, and so I find it really convenient to pack in my luggage. That's it for my cleansing routine. I hope you enjoyed, and although the process may seem pretty long, it's actually not, because all of these products apply super smoothly and wash off really easily with water afterwards. So yeah, if you'd like to try any of these products out yourself, please feel free to visit any of the Face Shop and Nature Collection stores in your area. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!